In this video, I will teach you how to earn money through your phone. So right now, I want you to get your phone and start typing. And boom, that is the way you earn money. It's as simple as that. Now I want you to take a look at all of these payment proof from PayPal from all over the world. Now you only need your phone or your laptop or even your computer to do this. And this is extremely easy. Now just start typing names and then you will earn money over and over again. So right now I'm gonna show you the income potential for this method. Now when you type for a day, you will earn $600. Now if you type for 2 days, you will earn $1,200. And if you're gonna type in for 3 days, you will earn $1,800. Now that is a big amount of money, and this method is 100% for free, and this is available worldwide. Anyone from anywhere in the world can absolutely do this, and you don't need any skills and any money to get started. There are no hidden fees as well. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss out on any of the important details. Now I will also demonstrate to you a real-life example and a bonus tip so that you could earn more money online just by doing this method. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. And also, if you want my recommendation in order for you to make a full-time passive income online, please click the link in the video description down below and I will share with you my methods, my strategies, and everything that I do to make a full-time passive income online. Now let's dive in straight into the video. So right now, I want you to go to google.com and type in the search bar the keywords Google Docs. Now, I want you to click on the first link right here and then you will be redirected to this page. Now you can see here that there are many Google document templates that you can use for this method. But I want you to click on this blank page right here. And when you go on to this page, I want you to rename the title of this Google document to typing jobs. Now, I want you to go to namingforce.com. Now, this is where you can do the typing jobs and earn money online. Now, you can see here, these are the business names that are typed. Now, over 4,000 business names just to be specific. Now, they are typed around here every day. And people who type these words are earning money every single time. So make sure to stay tuned and don't miss out on any of the bonus tips so that you can earn a lot of money by doing this method. And again, this is 100% for free. And this is available worldwide. Now, you can earn a lot of money for typing business names. As you can see here, let's have this example about skincare business. Now you can earn a $200 award for a business name plus a domain name. Now you're gonna help them find a name for their business. Now the business names are just single words, and as you can see right here. So right now I want to show you the second website. This is squadhelp.com. Now on this website, there are a lot of opportunities to make money online. And you can earn a lot of money by just typing different kinds of business names. And as you can see here, there are a lot of people earning money, hundreds and hundreds of dollars every day. So right now, I just want you and share to comment down below what country you are in so that I can make many videos for your region in the near future. So when you go on to Squad Help leaderboard section, you can see the top 1 earner for the last month. and you can see the amount of money they got. And as you can see, people from all over the world are earning money a lot on this website. Now you can also start earning right now by taking action in this method after watching this video. So right now, we are gonna be signing up for a free account. Now to sign up for a worldwide account, just click on the sign up button on the top area and you will go onto this page where you can create a free account. Now, just put in your first name, type in your last name, and also type in your display name, or this could also mean your username. Be unique and have fun with it. Now, type in your real email address and type in your password. Then I want you to click on this join as a creative option. Now, why are we choosing that? Because we are gonna be doing the typing jobs, and I want you to click the blue create account button right here. Now you can also sign up using your Facebook account or your Google account. Now this one actually depends on you. I'm just helping you how to sign up for a free account. Now the next website is called namelix.com. Now this website is a business name generator where you're just gonna type in the keywords and it will automatically generate a business name based on the keywords that you provided. So it is very important to be crucial with the keywords to have the proper name. Now for example, this skincare line. So I will put in the keyword skincare right here, and you can add more keywords as you go. But for this example, I'm just gonna type in skincare right here. Now, I will click on this generate button. Now, the next step is you should select the length of the business name. Now, I recommend choosing the short and medium name right here because it will automatically generate a business name for you. Now, you can see here that there are a lot of business names that also has logos that you can pick. So right now, I want you to copy these names and go back to Google Docs and list as many names as you want. And you can repeat this method again and again for you to earn more money online. Now, you can also do this on namingforce.com and even on squadhelp.com. Now, there are many jobs that you can do here. Now, when you scroll down below, you can see hundreds of typing jobs that you can do. Now, another bonus tip, you can actually include the screenshot of the logos and include it in your Google Docs so that you can earn more money online for free over and over again. Now, you don't need any special skills to do this. You just need your phone or your computer and start earning money online. And remember the tips that I gave you. Now, another bonus tip is I want you to go to Looka.com where you can create beautiful logos for your company. So just go back to namelix.com and select the name of the business you want. And go back to Looka.com and paste the name of the business right here. And click on the Get Started button. Next, type in the industry where you will use the logo. Now select 5 logos that you like because they will help you create the logo that's perfect for your name. Then select the colors that you like. Now you can also choose multiple colors. Now how about right here, tell us about yourself. Just put in the company name. Then select what kind of symbols you prefer for your company. Now it will automatically create a selection of logos that you can pick. Now you can take screenshots or ideas for the business name or logos that you will be putting on your Google Docs, because you earn additional money when you include some logos for the business as well. Now you can use this method to earn money online over and over again on namingforce.com and on squadhelp.com, where you can get your business name on Namelix and get your business logos on Looka.com. Now you can do this method again and again. So that's how you can earn a lot of money by just typing names on namingforce.com and squadhelp.com. Enjoy! Now before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And also, if you want my recommendation in order for you to make a full-time passive income online, please click the link in the video description down below, and I will share with you my methods, my strategies, and everything that I do to make a full-time passive income online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!